Bands to the wrist side. She pull out with a friend and I'm on it like a red dye. I got my sights on a headshot. Yeah, said she got a man that a leg drop. Both sides, switched up out of blue, yeah, she played both sides. Club from door to door, trying to change the life. Nah, you stupid. I can text by the way you talk, yeah, you do this often. Now that you know what to do, just by the way you are. Tell me any problem, no, I can solve it. Fuck the post, go to the max, yeah, like Michael Jordan. Both sides, yeah, switch your body tomorrow, you won't need him. Yeah, he only talking dollars, you won't see, oh no. Red stain on her lips just like a demon. She got a dragon on her back, don't catch her breathing. Oh God, gotta keep that 40 just in case. Say she ballin' like a lamb, nothing pretty but her face, oh God. Got Louis V around the way, he wrapped around her finger. Both sides, switched up out of blue, yeah, she played both sides. Club from door to door, tryna change the life. Nah, you stupid. I can text by the way you talk, yeah, you do this often. Now that you know what to do, just by the way you are. Tell me any problem, no, I can solve it. Fuck the post, go to the max, yeah, like Michael Jordan. Both sides.
Oh, it hurts falling down. Oh, but I can't stay down.
Happy birthday, Ashley.
Happy birthday, Kesh!
Looking at me, losing control, harder to breathe. Fade into
Round of applause for our Gemini girl, Kesley Nicole Cabal Quinto Flor!
down. Feels like I'm the last
Happy
one.
birthday, Ate Keshley! Happy birthday, Keshley!
On the attack, blood rushing to empty spaces. It's a blackout fight to the end. Feels like I'm the first one.
Welcome to adulthood. Happy birthday.
Through my hands, built up like a fire that
Happy birthday, Ate Keshley! Happy birthday, Keshley!
blackout.
Yung pangarap mo, ituloy-tuloy mo lang. Susuportahan ka namin ni Mama.
Birthday, Ate Keshley. Stay happy and God bless you.
Oh, it hurts falling down. Oh, but I can't stay down. Looking at you, looking at me, losing control, harder to breathe. Fade into dark. Oh.
Happy birthday, Nak! Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Ayan, naiyak na naman ako. Umpisa pa lang naiyak na ako. Basta, Nak, happy birthday. Alam mo naman na kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Iyak. Tsaka, basta ito lang yung lagi namin sinasabi sa'yo na mag-aral kang mabuti. Kasi alam mo namang ikaw lang yung nag-iisa namin. Sabi ko, hindi ako iyak. Tsaka, basta nandito lang kami ng daddy mo, mahal na mahal ka namin. Lahat ng gusto mo, lahat ng pangarap mo, nandito lang kami, susuportahan ka namin.
Iiwan ko sa iyo, anak, unang-una, para maging matagumpay sa buhay, una mong pupunuin ng pagmamahal yung sarili mo.
When the lights go down is when the lost get found. Rise up from the ground. Look
Ito lang masasabi ko sa iyo na sumapit ng iyong karawan. Ang kuhan ko lang sa iyo, maging mabuti ka sana. Dahil ikaw yung nag-iisa lang naming anak. Nawa, pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung kaya mo. Nandito lang kami, Nak.
Happy 18th birthday, Keshley! We love you!
I'm the last one standing.
sa'yo is matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Tapos andyan ang mami daddy mo para sumuporta sa'yo. Lagi kang makikinig sa kanila.
Looking at you, looking at me, losing control, harder to breathe. Fading too dark. Oh, it hurts falling down, down, down.
Thank you po. Naiya ako. Thank you po sa lahat ng pumunta, sa mga friends ko, tsaka yung mga hindi ko po kilala pero nandito po. Tsaka salamat.
To the end, just like on the